Hey guys, we're the Travelling Giants. Welcome to our video and please don't forget to subscribe. Morning guys. So it's 5:30 in the morning and I'm up nice and early because it sounds like someone's breaking into us. It works out that we parked in a really lovely spot and it was a sheep nudging my van in the morning. Oh yeah, that was a delightful wake-up call, but look at this spot we're in. Absolutely amazing. The ones we've got to get past at the gate.
I know, but they're so cute. Do you want me to get out and shoe them?
Go guys.
Do you want me to shoe that one? He's not doing it. Oh no, now he's up.
Ignorant prick.
Tony! Oh, this is really skinny actually. So you can't tell how steep this hill is. It's so annoying because the camera did. Are we going? Is that our corner?
Hey guys.
Hi guys.
So we've turned up to a place that's called Waterfall Country. There was another name for it in Welsh. I have no idea how to pronounce
I think
it.
it'd be rude to try and pronounce it.
Yeah, I think it would be too. So I'll put a picture up of the location. I'll also ping you a pinpoint location so you can see where it is on the map. There's meant to be 4 waterfalls down here that are absolutely amazing. So
and one which you can walk behind.
yeah, one we can walk behind. So we're going to take a walk down, have a look, see what we find. And yeah, we'll keep the video rolling. Well, bits of it. Bye.
What?
Them walking sticks.
No, they've got their walking shoes on. So they're
Oh,
socks
yeah.
and
Walking shoes.
we've just fucking rocked up for the day.
She's already regretting her life decisions. Because we've just realised we've walked all the way down this hill to walk back up later. We know you move a bit slower, darling.
No, I move slow because I'm in my 3rd trimester. Not just being slower in general.
Just slow in general.
I'm carrying extra weight.
The donuts didn't help.
You cheeky.
absolutely beautiful. I bet it's going to be cold, let's find out. Absolutely freezing. Anna's like Bambi when walking across rocks and heights, and she's absolutely petrified. So she's doing really well. She just gave me the finger. So, but this is what she's walking over. This is absolutely fucking gorgeous. Yeah. Absolutely beautiful. Hey guys, so we're about a mile and a half in.
Yeah.
Going well. There's a lovely walk. It is all greenery, so once you've seen that, you've seen it all.
Tony, no, there's some pretty
But
bits.
it's not. If I put it on video, it's just going to be lots of greenery. But it is absolutely stunning. Very slippery in places. Lots of rocks to climb up and down.
Hilly.
Very hilly. She's still going, so we're doing good. But yeah, we're coming up to the second waterfall. I think it's about a mile's walk. So we'll get some footage then. It is a long walk down. We've come to the second green route. It's a long walk down considering 10 minutes ago we're at the top of that hill there. Might not look big, but I reckon you can get 6 double-decker buses nose to nose. It's quite a size. But it's absolutely stunning walk. It's well worth it. Oh shit. Oh. So I'll have a look at that. I know you look at it and go, fuck, more stones. You want to go up that way? You can stay to the path if you want.
Okay, for a minute. You do you done and then I'll do me.
I'm going to start walking up that way to the next one.
Alright, just be careful.
I am. These rocks are slippery. So I don't know if you can hear me, but the advantage of wearing Crocs when hiking is, yes, they're pretty slippery, but you don't mind getting them wet. While everyone else is hiding back over there, we can come up and explore the waterfall. See if we can get behind it. Ooh. Yep, that's me stumbling. I'm going to stop the camera for 2 minutes while I get down this bit. We are behind the waterfall. How fucking beautiful is this? I'm not going to touch it, that feels rough. Let's try again back down. We're on the 4th waterfall of the whole lot. This is meant to be the main one to come for, the best one. So I've got to keep watching the steps because they're quite dodgy, and the last thing I want is me falling on top of her. So yeah, we've been underneath one waterfall, we've been over the top of another one, and now we're coming to the next one. Shortcut. These stairs go on for miles. Finally made it to the last waterfall. Once again, absolutely beautiful place this is. It is a lot of walking, so I'm walking through the river at the moment. It is a lot of walking, but well worth it. You don't actually have to walk through water. There's a path all the way around the outside. But yeah, it's definitely worth a day's walking. I'm getting cold and wet from here because the water's spraying. Right, have a nosy. So on the last part of the trail on the way home now, we've taken the other route. So you come in one end, go out the other. One side's riverside, the other side. It's fucking stunning. Even more beautiful. And yeah, so I believe it's about 2.5 miles back. I could be wrong, could be 3.5, could be 4.5. No one actually gives a shit. But yeah, we'll see in a bit, we'll let you know how it goes.
Look, you have a little God moment.
So we made a little bit of a boo-boo. We walked all the way up to one car park, because it only showed 2 car parks, and it works out we were in neither car park and we're now lost in the woods. So we're going to follow this path, hopefully take us to another car park, or somewhere that we can recognise.
We've been here.
We've been here.
This is where the lady
We have
was.
been here.
We're on the right path.
Hey, we're on our path home now. Fantastic. Hi guys.
Hi.
So we've made it back to the car now. Woohoo! Absolutely knackered. We're going to head off and try and find somewhere to camp up for the night. I'm going to find a shop on the way, buy some ice creams, and then yeah, camp up, cook dinner, and relax the rest of the evening.
Ready to do it all again tomorrow.
And ready to start fresh tomorrow. This baby will come by the end of this trip. Alright, catch you later. So, another big hill, not intentional. We drove down to the new location where we're going to stay for the night. I'll get you a picture of that in a bit. I looked on Google Maps to just be nosy what's around, and I find out there's a old derelict ruins of a chapel. Me being me, I got to have a nosy at that. Fuck, that hill. It's the biggest hill that I've done all day, and that's saying something because there are some hills. Well, this is the beauty. Have a look. Can't give you much information at the moment. There's no internet around here. That's something for another day. See you later. Ow. Thorn bush. This is just the start of the hill. I'll show you when I get along to there. I'll put the camera back on. I said I'll put the camera back on. Here's the rest of it. Ooh. Yep, that's another big hill. There's a bench down there. That's us for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification button, and follow our travels and where we go next. Thank you very much.